Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Instantly, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, what are the difference between the paid and free plans in Instantly? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to know what the paid and free plans are in Instantly? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and doing cold email outreach, you know that Instantly is a popular way to do that, and they have a free plan and also paid plans. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process to look it up, and it's handled here in your Instantly dashboard. Check my video description, I'll try to leave more information there. But I've already logged into my Instantly, and rather than just simply telling you the prices, I'm going to show you how you can find the most recent prices because they could change at any time. So what you want to do first off is here on this left menu, click on your profile icon here on the bottom left. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down and click on settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these 5 menu options at the top. Click on billing and usage, and then click on billing. Okay, so here is where you're going to see which plan you're on. So this is a test account, so it's on the free trial, as you can see right here. And right below, it's going to show you the different options for the paid plans. Now, the biggest difference on the paid and free plans for Instantly are the amount of emails that you can send each month. So as you know, with Instantly, you can send out a lot of different cold emails from various emails. So it's an efficient way to get in touch with a lot of your local customers. If you're just getting started out, you can go ahead and start with the free, but they also have this one right here called Growth. Now you can send out up to 5,000 emails monthly. So if you're a small local business, that might be sufficient. If not, then you can go ahead and scroll down. So the Growth plan right now is about $37 per month after. If you sign up annually, it works out to a 20% discount. So you can choose between monthly and annually. On the Hyper Growth, you're going to be able to send out 125,000 emails monthly, and that's only $97 per month. But if you pay yearly, same thing, you'll get a 20% discount. Now, if you're running a large operation, you might want to go with the Lightspeed. So this is $358 per month to send out 500,000 emails monthly. So that's a huge amount of emails. So depending on what type of business you're running, one customer could pay for that. And if you're sending out 500,000 emails, you're probably going to end up getting a lot of contacts. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering what the difference is between the free and paid plans on Instantly, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know the prices have changed, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.